Somebody come dey tell me say this guy here go come my platform. Me no know say that one just the blue light. Say no even know them, no even relate to them. That one of my fans, because I do video, one of my fans come tell me say he see the video when I do. Say he get his cousin sister TikTok account. Say me I go search for him. As I reach there, the girl don't even follow me back. Let me come follow her back. I come write and say, hello. She come say hello. Are you related to this guy? He say yes, in a younger brother. I come say, okay, I beg you for like, may you give me your number. May I talk to you about this guy? He come say, okay. Now he come give me a Nigerian number. I come call him. How far? What did they play? I come Sophie they explain to me. Say this guy lost his mom when the guy was just 6 months old. So now the guy not get one particular place where he stay. He lost his mom 6 months old. He lost his father when he did 5 years. So from that 5 years, he see that he stay with his mama younger sister or he stay with his papa younger brother. He was just living from one place to another. You know, you get one particular place when he stay. Now, this guy, when he come dey grow up, when he was 10 years, he come dey stay with his grandmother. But I don't know the grandmother for his side, whether the papa side or the mama side. But he was staying with his grandmother. When he come dey grandmother, now they come for become boy. Now they come for the all these comedies stuff like that. This guy they go Lagos, go they shoot movies, comedies, lots more. The guy na person we be street boy, he grow for streets. He was an orphan. So when the EA there, I think last 2 years. So the guy comes see me, he want to go stay on his own. Now that same time, he tell know them all these Okotor, all these Okugbowa and all of them. So they come up find themselves in me. They do Okugbowa community. So they come just they put in effort, so they carry on, they go. Meanwhile, the elder sister, which is where he and be cousin, person wey talk to me so now he and this guy be cousin. Tell me, say this story, one of the list, that's why I talk to us, I say that Okotor, I say Okotor, Okugbowa, na devil. This guy question so, that's what I say, wanna open na ear. He get one story where this guy talk for a TikTok account. Say he get generator matter wey happen, they can't go native daughter place. Not be the matter of generator where they carry go there, not be native daughter come they tell him. He was much more younger then. They come tell him and say, if he wants to be successful in life, he should do away with smoking. Anything that has to do with smoking, he should do. This one what they talk and say, now so he get depressed. Madam, you. Before I continue, I want to show you a video of where a sister for carrying and go hospital yesterday. Share this video for me. Allow. What video now me? Wanna share this video for me? May I show now the video? Meanwhile, before his sister come carry and go hospital yesterday, now his sister.
We mute. We dey hear you.
Now yeah, that sister be this one so with Okotor. Meanwhile, I had this other sister now because when this guy come to stay on his own with them Okugbowa, the sister say they see his brother, they do comedy. He was very happy. Say at least the guy not go join court, the guy not go join bad gang, the guy orphan, the guy struggle to become who he is. Then this elder sister come to tell me say, a pa say, he say free send people call the tag for videos. Go see your brother. Your brother don't they reduce. Your brother don't they reduce. Your brother they smoke eyes. A lot of people come they call down for family. Not the pick. They can't reach Okugbowa say Alpha, you know the house when this guy did, because Okugbowa not there with them again. He not even know so Okugbowa don't come out 3 months ago. Meanwhile, wetin happen? Okugbowa talk about heartbreak just now. His sister today still talk about heartbreak. Because when they carry and reach hospital, I go tell her that one man no rush am. Now his sister can't go see him, which is the cousin. When the cousin reach there, no, the conference send their relative go there. They say that one reach there, he no open door. He no open door for them. And his sister comes because these sisters who get pikin, he supposed follow that relative that day, but because say pikin don't close for school, he can't go pick pikin for school. He can't get to call and say he dey come his house. That one way go, which is their relative, can't go show him the house. As he can't see this his sister, so we carry am go hospital yesterday, he can't open door. The neighbors of the guy come dey talk say, they just abandon. Listen to that word, they just abandon Okotor. Since all this while, nobody dey even ask of him. This idiot Okugbowa where they talk us and say 3 days ago, even yesterday, which is October 14, say they talk. How manage the neighbor of Okotor call the quarrel say they abandon Okotor. Okugbowa, they ask you question. Okugbowa, and they ask you question. How manage the neighbors come the verse say they abandon now? You and this guy they talk. Then they become the verse. Then the sister come they ask a question say, what do you want me to do for you? The very first day when you go there before that yesterday, the guy know they talk. The guy know they talk. The things when they say they talk. Next I come tell and say, people say they smoke ass. He said no, sister no they smoke ass. Next I say, but the way they talk now, because the teacher they talk since he don't understand one. You resemble a person when they smoke ass. You boy come say no, he no smoke any ass. So they can't go do family meeting, put their bros, your mama brothers now, all of them come the house. Go talk what happen, which is day before yesterday, before they come carry and go hospital yesterday. The guy be no one talk. Now those ones become the paro say, we'll beat you, what did they worry you? You they come on TikTok, they talk, say, see what they happen to you, see the way they carry you go. With the family now, your mama family, they ask you questions now. Cousins, sisters, everybody come here, they ask you questions now, say, what happen? For the guy come talk say, nothing they do him. If he dey okay, he go talk. And they come say, okay, fine. Now, then they carry and go hospital. They go carry and go hospital. As they reach there, they do general test for them. From the head to the toe, they don't see anything when they do the guy. The guy not sick, but doctor complain of something. Malnutrition. What? Nutrition. Say the guy lack food. Say the guy waiting lack food. He know the heat. I come ask Okotor. Remember, this guy said in one of his videos, said they're using Indomie to give her smoke. And since that day when they give him Indomie, the next month, now this idiot Okugbowa, now pack am go mama. Okugbowa, you and your mama never even know do I want to do. You see, I will stand as a father for that guy to make sure he get justice. And I petition Wami Gwene, una talk, una carry this guy go, we make it belly lock, we make it belly no, we make him lock on the guy appetite for food. Well, baby, what may you wait until the guy come my platform? Because I don't get access to the direct family now. So, Dr. Kon say he need care, he needs attention, and he dey suffer from heartbreak. The guy is suffering from heartbreak. Okugbowa also said heartbreak. Who is now the girl? Now that's my question. I've told that girl today to help me go in search of that girl. We need the girl that gave her that Indomie. If we see that girl Where give her indomie, we go ask that girl who send you, may you give her indomie. Okugbowa, you never even know what you talk so. Because that girl, you don't know say the matter go worse like this. Heartbreak can come from somebody where you put your trust on. At the end of the day, the person break your heart. Breaking of heart can be something different in a way. It can come in form of a betrayal. Meanwhile, in one of these guys' video, when native doctor tell him that thing when it's small, he don't tell Okotor, say they forbid smoke. The day when they give her that smoke, they come they laugh him. Who was there? Okugbowa. That's why Okugbowa was so smart enough to leave 8 months ago. It's a bad guy. Okugbowa was so smart to leave 8 months ago. You go tell us why you come up for the Okugbowa. Because you are the lead role of Okugbowa community. You are the lead role of Okugbowa. This guy, not the two they speak Benin like that, now English. Now they speak. Maybe now the people when you come follow grow, now you come make and they speak English. As we speak right now, the guy is coming from malnutrition. And doctor said he is depressed. He not get any disease, he not get anything. He's not suffering from eyes. He is depressed. He lacks malnutrition. Doctor come and say, maybe they give him vitamin. Maybe they give her waiting. One of the gift me now. What gift of what? Maybe they give her vitamin. So they now ask him, "Are you ready to speak to Enogie?" Enogie call you. He say yes. Enogie was trying to write him, but if he don't get himself well, like if he don't do okay small, thank you Jesus baby, he will come talking you from my platform with evidence of proof. Waiting make her get heartbreak. That girl. Who is that girl? We don't know. Okugbowa no fit say no know he girlfriend. Because Okugbowa said something in his video, say to the extent this guy called the follower the share singlet. I eat a sleep with the babe. This guy know. What damn him in that moment. Now we they keep bestie. Now we they keep friend. Me, you get one of my friend when me I know we ever play game for life. Even if we see for anywhere, we feel shine teeth. But I can never forgive that my friend. Never. I just be cool. Because if you see on friendly friend, if they do so kind wish for your eye, run from them. Don't give them a second chance. If not, they will poison you. If not, they will poison you before your time. Remember, now your friend will poison you. Your enemy can never poison you. This is the discussion of me and her sister. The members and crew of Okugbowa community must be questioned. But the person where we go petition, now that girl we cook the indomie for her. You will be the girl who send you. If Okugbowa don't do okay, just the way we take talk today, he will come and talk. Everything where they ask her for hospital, he talk everything without no make mistake. The year he was born, everything about him. Person with no go to remember anything. Person with on eyes, no go even carry phone, do video post am. Person with on eyes, fit video preach post am. Because you don't know what they do. Eyes is different from this. This is a little touch of physical sickness and the spiritual sickness attached, combined. Hello? This is a little touch of physical sickness, of malnutrition and depression and the spiritual sickness combined. Because say this guy now, orphan. Despite say, we don't know now. We see what they do. Not me say we don't love una content. And Okotor, you are going to explain the reason will make you come dey reduce when your friend get heartbreak. You think you are talking to a fool? You think you are talking to a baby? You are not talking to a baby. I am not other presenters. You get the way I take dey. In case you don't know me, this is a Enogie matter. When I want to go into issues, nobody can stop me. Not even my enemies with you on TikTok. So if you know what is good for you, you go tell us. You go tell us a minute, guys. Wetin happen to am? For that guy to come dey pass through malnutrition, e belle come lock, e no come get appetite to eat, shows that something is not right. Then that one way he talk say your mama and you can I go do destiny swap. For those of you that don't know what is destiny swap exists. Destiny swap exists. How does destiny swap exist? You must be there for them to swap your destiny. Spiritual people foretell your future. They know what you want to become for life to spoil them. That's why some picking they'll say they don't want to do naming ceremony for them. They can do destiny swap with the money they give to you on the day of your naming ceremony. Now Europe, if they say they exist, they happen for where for come. They can swap your destiny and your enemy will forever be useless. If you're not dead, then they're not going to feed one. This is why they were able to lure him. The reason why he still followed them go was because he talk and say no spoil person. That was his belief. Since the day when they came back from the destiny swap, the next day, Okotor, as the smartest guy, left and say, he not get money to take the pay this house rent again. He want to go to stay with him mama. Why you can't be saying I want to go do destiny swap? Now you can't take come and say you don't want to stay again. They fit still do a true net if they are very close to you. If they are not close to you, they cannot swap your destiny. They can only make you live a wasted years. That is why sometimes you have to pray for the spirit of delay. You just do one particular place for years. Nothing is moving. You know they progress in anything. You just did there year to year. And where you did. If person still say, no worry, if you reach us, was an Nika not the way, and Nika don't really meet you. You can be given a wasted years through distance, but your destiny can only be swapped when you are present. Okotor, I mean. So my people of Edo and diaspora, I will urge all bloggers we get sense. Not be said because me and you get one or two, you'll see truth, you'll banner for this one. It can't happen to anybody. Now, imagine say this guy memory not strong or this guy spirit not strong. Now then you see they'll say some artist, this guy don't use the car to get accident 4 times. You will be MC Efilo. Why you not ask this guy say come on? The car will call the toss and you get him. Why you call the toss and you get that car? Because the car will go to bear. Okugbowa comes and you get him. From that they call the user and they get accident. The family of Okugbowa call the fee say na he give the friend the drive. It will take intellectual people like me to understand that what they do this guy not be honoring something. This guy used the car, see accident 4 times. When he come back from location, he jam outside with barrel. Imagine saying outside the by person. You don't know outside be that they carry small knife, the follow body, they choke and make by. The way that they planned this thing was, he go enemy go suffer by. Just go like that. They'll say, oh, that boy enemy yok by. Nobody will go forget trace of what happen. Thank God say the guy is pretty strong, because what they want to do this guy na madness. They was giving your be first, so that people say they mad. That's why they talk like that. The guy, mama, papa really stand by him, because if you see what the guy they talk, he say use the father body to resurrect as an orphan. You, MC Efilo, you is a boy, but I never get your time. This was a planned interview. A stupid one. Interview no beg but interview the bema home. Una. Person we supposed go meet. They be there with it. They forbid to contact a sister. They forbid. Don't worry. As far as you don't do what you want to do, you getting close to that guy now is a suspect already, because you are very closer to the one we interview. So nobody is permitted to see him now, because everybody is a suspect. I pray for him, make him recover fast, make he can't tell us waiting happen to him. But remember, Okotor, there's an adage in Benin that says, Oto, no ne. Meaning, whatsoever you do in life, cover it. One day, it will surface to planet Earth. Yo, Okugbowa, greediness, your own greediness. You and Okotor, I say Okugbowa, you both are too greedy. The greediness, na first class. Yo, Okugbowa, the air when they look you are still baby a person. We beneath the call or you be very fun, you be wayo. That's with your body language and all shows that you guys are demonic. The only person who just they follow you now, they do all these things now, the orphan, which is Okotor. Because he don't see himself. Say, man, since they don't fit by when he this small, he lost his mother when he was just 6 months. Imagine that kind of a person. So his mind must definitely be free to people, because he's still with different kinds of people. And a street boy. So if you don't know what you now do head, Waduaka Okugbowa aka Abamunye. Okugbowa aka Slow Pwenzi. Swagalicious one for that matter. That's who you are. You yourself and you, this Okugbowa. The things when they talk more from math, I'll come and analyze them on my next live video. Then I will now expose you more with what you use your math talk. Just the way I expose Okotor with what you use in math talk. May God stand by all the orphans in the world. Person will not get papa and mama again. May God stand by them. May the spirit of their father and their mother stand by them. If not, that's not for your of this boy. And nobody for me. Nobody forget this. I was okay. Maybe sick. I mean, no some guy. Why do you? To not use his destiny. Because I left something. That's why they'll say, go buy a dog. For people who didn't do juju. If dog die, they're not going to use and do juju for you. Now left something. Then I think they do juju for person with their life. If you don't succeed in swapping that destiny when he's alive, then when he dog back, they God let him back, he will use and blow. That's why you see some friends, if their friend dog back, it is what they don't get before they can't get him. Swapping of destiny. Swapping of destiny is very, very important. This is why when we say we want to pray, you don't need to get enemy before you pray against danger. The waka when you waka like this with your leg like this, enemy can use it to off you. The shirt when you wear, enemy can use it to off you. The naga when they make, enemy can use it to poison you. As I did so, the people that is here watching me, my friends, some of my friends are not happy. People they vex for me. Why? Because now which kind of thing be this one? Now let Enogie that they watch can be the reason why they go here they vex for me. This is why I watch what I eat, I watch what I drink. Except I did this house, now I feel eat anything because I know say my wife and my children. And the moment I step my feet out of this my house, I watch what I eat. Because if something never enter this body, now that they talk say they will fear you this that now you go talk say you are free, you are safe. If something don't enter this body, it takes the grace of God Almighty to remove it. Evil friends. Stay away from evil friends. They are very close to you. How to know them? Not very easy. Very easy how to know them. God will surely reveal it to you. Now if you come mumu, now you're not gonna know. Just the way God revealed my own to me. And since then, I ran. And now they do brother Richard. Not possible. God forbid. A evil friend will start jealousy you when you don't the person for life. One of the shop cocoyam, drink garri, he not go poison you that time. But in the drive car, you don't born. You can't born twins. You no get twins. You go to jealous you put. Sometimes they call me Ere Nora, Ere Ivieva. That Ivieva, na for jealous friend, na bad thing for year. I know the answer that name. You go to laugh with you. For a man, he might go see kalo. You will get past bestie. Young girls with the Europe, now they live the same house, now not the president herself. Because you never born, you never see man will love you, we get money. If you don't see man will love you, we get money. All those your bestie when I got this house, then they go expose you, give presenter, they take beat you the day when your matter will come. It go be like for you, eh? You where they live with guests for the same house, they open your toto for grants when I be guests, then don't snap and keep. 10 years time, they'll come use and saga you. Go see Ole Vino. Wait till I put around. 2013, somebody said that to me when he see saying a friend the quarrel. Another person entirely said that call for me. Say he get go to Toto. As you hear say a friend talk and say, "Epa, or me go to Toto." Another person wey not even know anything. That's why I said they're going. But let's still go for Olive. No, but I don't use them as an example. Do not expose yourself to the world. Because when you expose yourself to the world, the enemy will not easily penetrate into your life. That's why before I do anything, I think of it. I the reason now. I know they carry this saga person picking. I still the talker. The reason why the saga lucky antelope get friend picking is because when somebody mocked my child, Lucky Antelope said I was the one who started insulting that person's child. So ain't no born. I can't go look for a girlfriend picking, they beat him, make him know the pain when it be to insult person picking, and you say me cannot talk. You dey feel am? A lot of my enemies dey this TikTok wey no want me I grow. The more they saga me, the more people watch me. The people wey dey watch me, not dey watch them. So they imagine and say, wetin dey sup now? We don saga this guy now. But now sef, if you say this guy, I still dey grow. My view, people wey dey watch me, People always say, if I would miss you, the thing will only make them decrease. That's why you see some of them, if they saga me, they'll talk, they will tire. They'll still say me the other one talk, they'll come quiet. Because they don't know what they want to talk again, will make people run from me. As they talk rich, people say they follow me. I don't know that they understand me. No, for the Enogie hand, who should be a pa? People say they call me pa. Oh, you're more of a conqueror than the Sagana. I don't swear for you before. You don't still swear for me before, but not me. As far as I know,